Hey sis, where are you going?
Oh, I'm just heading out to find a place to send money to my uncle in Samoa.
Oh, why waste time and petrol? You can use UP Group Money. You can send money to Samoa and it's really fast.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I sign up online?
Yeah, it's really simple.
Sweet, I'll do it now.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Sending money to your loved ones in Samoa has never been easier with the UP Group Money Transfer. Our service allows you to transfer money quickly and securely from the comfort of your home or anywhere in New Zealand. Your family and friends can conveniently pick up the money from over 40 villages across the Polu and Ōrākei. No matter where they are, we've got you covered. Our user-friendly online platform makes sending money a breeze. Just visit www.upgroupmoney.com. Sign up and start sending money in minutes. We're here to help. If you have any questions or need assistance with signing up or sending money, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly support team at 09558 2896 or 0800 877 328, or visit us in the office at 6/22 Station Road, Otahuhu, Auckland 1062. Experience the ease and reliability of UP Group Money Transfer today. Your family and friends in Samoa are just a few clicks away from receiving your support. Visit www.up